Hello, my Math Independent Study student. In this video, the objective is to solve absolute value equation. In this case, you can see that on the left-hand side of the equation, we have the absolute value of 5 minus 3x, and then minus 3 outside of the absolute value symbol. So the first thing we are going to do is that we need to isolate the absolute values expression by itself. So we'll go ahead and add 3 to the left side and then to the right side. So now we simplify. We will have absolute value of 5 minus 3x equal 5. Next step, we are going to rewrite this absolute value equation into two equations without the absolute value symbol. So the first equation will be the positive one. So we will have just 5 minus 3x equal 5. And the second equation will be the negative one. So we have negative of 5 minus 3x. So it means that negative 1 times the expression 5 minus 3x inside the parentheses equal 5. Next step, you are going to solve for x. So let's start from the positive one. We are going to subtract 5 from both sides. So now we will have negative 3x equals 0. Next, we want to isolate the negative 3's. Isolate the x, so we have to cancel negative 3. So we'll go ahead and divide both sides by negative 3. So now we have x equals 0 divided by negative 3, which is 0. Okay, so we're done with the positive one. So let's go to the negative one. The first step we have to do, we have to distribute negative 1 with the two terms inside the parentheses. So we have negative 5 plus 3x equal 5. Next, we are going to go ahead and cancel the negative 5 by adding 5 to the left side and to the right side. So we have 3x equal 10. And we want to isolate the x, so we go ahead and cancel the 3 by divide both sides by 3. So we have the answer at x equals 10 over 3. Next step, we have to check each one of the answer. So let's start with x is 0. So we substitute into the original equation. So we have absolute value of 5 minus 3 times 0. So we'll go ahead and substitute x for 0. And then minus 3 equal 2. Now what happens if you don't want to substitute into our original equation? Can you substitute into the equation that after we add 3 on both sides? Yes, that will be okay. I'm just substitute into the original equation. So now we will go ahead and simplify inside the absolute value. We multiply first, so negative 3 times 0, which is 0. So 5 minus 0 will be 0. So it's just absolute value of 5 minus 3. Is it equal to 2? Yes, because absolute value of 5, which is 5. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2, or 2 equal to 2. So this would be true. So we can conclude that x equals 0 is the solution. Now we go ahead and check the second answer. So now we will substitute x for 10 over 3. So we absolute value of 5 minus 3 and substitute x for 10 over 3. Minus 3 equal to, so we will simplify inside the expression inside the absolute values symbol first. So we multiply first. So negative 3 times 10 over 3 cancel the 3, so we just negative 10. So we have 5 minus 10, and the absolute value symbol minus 3 equal to, so 5 minus 10 will be negative 5, and absolute value of negative 5 minus 3 equal to, now absolute value of negative 5, which is 5, so 5 minus 3 equal to, now 5 minus 3, which is 2, so 2 equal to be true. So therefore we can conclude that x equal 10 over 3 is also the solution. So x equal 10 over 3 is the solution. So therefore in this case, this absolute value equation gives us two solutions. So I'm going to go ahead and write up here my solution set. I'm going to go ahead and use the set raster. So go ahead and open and close brackets, and this is the collection of all the x such that, and then go ahead and write down my two solutions. So x equals 0 or x equals 10 over 3. Make sure you write down your own summary. What did you learn from this video? Thank you. Goodbye.